Please like, please share, please subscribe. And I hope you're enjoying these videos because I am having fun making them. Today I am going to try Beauty Glaze. I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base in the skin tone color. I am using my Laura Mercier Press Setting Powder to set my base. This is what it looks like. Laura Mercier. My Beauty Glaze palette has all these beautiful colors. So I gotta use one of them. I don't know, they are so beautiful. Okay, I think I know which one I'm gonna use. I am going to use, where did it go? Oh. This color right here, like a mauvey wine. A mauvey wine eyeshadow. The color look pigmented. Let's see what I look like. I have a lot of colors. I like all the colors except this stuff. Like I say, it's very inexpensive. I should say inexpensive instead of using the word cheap. Inexpensive. My eyes are hooded, so I always go above the crease. If I use the crease alone, I don't see my color, and I love seeing my color. I just want to pack all this color on. We just go in with color. I'm just going with a color. Let's see how this is going to work for me. One thing with the eyeshadow looks I make, if they come out bad, if they come out bad, I still post them on because I want to see the good, the bad, and the ugly with me applying eyeshadow. When it comes out good, I post it. When it comes out crappy, I will still post it because I want you to see it's not every time it comes out right. How are we looking? Are we looking good? I'm using my white pencil because I need to put another color on my lid, but I want that color to pop. I like to see my colors on my lid because my hooded eyes bury it, so the white pencil works magic. This is what we are looking like. Purple. You like? That's what we're looking like. When I opened this palette, I had no idea what I was gonna do or use, but I think we are coming along pretty good here. Now, what am I gonna put in my tear duct? I don't know. The color is pretty. Very pretty. I'm impressed. I am impressed. The color came out nice. This is what the eye is looking like at this point. I need to finish up. I am back and the eyes are done. Mascara, tear duct, eyeliner. Everything is complete with the eyes. My foundation is on. I use Burgundy pressed powder foundation. I finish all my eye look. Now it's time for blush and lipstick. So we will do that together. Okay, now we have blush, lipstick. I think orange lipstick is good. What do you think? I think I'll do orange lipstick. Does this lipstick match? What do we think? Blush, eyes, lips. Please tell me what you think in the comments below. Full face makeup. Burgundy pressed foundation powder. And I use Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette. And my lipstick came from Wet n Wild. This is the complete look. This is what it looks like. Left, front, right. Now I'm going to use the NYX setting spray. Focus. Okay, here. I'm gonna try a little bit of setting spray. This is before setting spray. Now this is me after the setting spray. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share, please comment, please subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and always remember, self first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important, and I will see you in another video. Thanks again, and bye. Peace out.